Hello everyone, my name is Lucky, a mathematics enthusiast, giving you a special welcome to PrinceMathsclinic. It's nice to have you in class today.
Yet, the root of this cubic equation, that if ax to the power of 3 plus bx to the power of 2 plus cx plus d is equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and alpha, beta, and gamma are the roots of the equation, you have to find alpha plus beta plus gamma, then alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma, then alpha multiplied by beta multiplied by gamma. So let's go right into the solution. Now, I'm going to call this my equation 1. That is, I am going to call this equation 1. Then, I am going to divide my equation 1, all the terms in equation 1 by a. I'll call this equation 2. Now, we were told that alpha, beta, and gamma are the roots of the equation. Alpha, beta, and gamma are the roots. Therefore, I am going to say x minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta plus x minus gamma all equal to 0. Now that you know that x minus alpha, because by the time you expand all of these brackets together, right, it's going to give you a certain equation. So I want to expand x minus beta and x minus gamma. It's what I want to expand first before I now expand with this. So x minus alpha, expanding this and using this to expand all of that. Let's see what we are going to get. If I do that, now x times this gives us what? X to the power of 3. X times this will become minus gamma times x squared. Then doing this will become minus beta times x squared. Doing this will become plus beta gamma times x. Then using this to multiply, I'm going to get negative alpha x squared. Then using this to multiply this will become positive alpha gamma times x. Using this to multiply this, minus times minus turns to plus. So this will become alpha beta times x. Then multiply minus times plus, you get minus, then alpha beta gamma. So now I want to arrange them in a way that all my squares will be together and all my coefficient of just x will be together. So I'll write my x cube. Then remember, all the ones without square are minus, minus, and minus. So I'm going to put negative. So all written in the bracket will now be positive. So I'll put let me arrange them alphabetically. Alpha, then plus beta, plus gamma. All the coefficients are x squared, such that if I multiply minus times plus, everything gives me back what I have here, here, and here. So let's go to the one without, that is just x. So this becomes, remember, plus, plus, and plus will give us what? Plus. Then I have, let me arrange that again. I will do alpha, gamma, alpha, beta, and beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, alpha, gamma, and beta, gamma. Remember, all multiplied by x. Then I have a constant here that does not have x at all, and that is negative alpha, beta, and gamma. Mind you, all is equal to 0. Right? With that, now I'm going to compare the coefficient of x squared here to x squared in our equation. So therefore, minus alpha plus beta plus gamma now is equal to beta, b over a. Remember, x squared, x squared. That's why we are comparing what is in the bracket to the coefficient of x squared here. So this becomes what? B over a. So in essence, if I multiply both sides by negative 1, if I multiply it by minus 1, the minus 1 times minus turns to positive. If I multiply this by minus 1, then this becomes what? Negative b over a, which we are asked to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. So therefore, this is our result to question A. Then question B says alpha beta, alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Now look at what we have here: alpha beta, alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Coefficient of x here compared to coefficient of x there. Therefore, the result for B, which is what? Alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma is equal to what? Just C over A. That's the answer to B. Then for C, let's also compare the one that does not have x at all. Remember, in this equation, negative alpha beta gamma can be compared to D over A. So to C, negative alpha beta gamma is equals to what? D over A. But mind you, there's a minus here. So if I multiply both sides by minus 1, minus will cancel minus, then this becomes negative D over A. So this is the solution to this question. And as you can see, it's very simple. If you follow the principle, you arrive at the right product. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification icon so that you can get to see more videos as we drop them on this channel. Till we meet again, keep practicing maths. Bye.